Welcome to the DynamicsOnDemand.com video tutorial series. This session explains how to use the Advanced Find tool in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. The Advanced Find tool can be used to write custom searches for any type of record in Dynamics CRM. To access the Advanced Find tool, hit the Advanced Find button at the top of the screen. This will load the Advanced Find window. To construct an Advanced Find search, first select the type of record you are searching for using the drop-down located here. Once you have selected a record, build your query one line at a time. For each line, do the following. First, select the field you would like to search on. Here we'll search on the state that the account is located in. Second, select the criteria that you are going to be using for your search. This value will change depending upon the field that you select in the first part. Finally, type in the value you are basing your search on. You will see here that we are searching for accounts that are located in the state of Washington. We'll add a second criteria. We're searching our search to just those records that were created this year. Once you've finished constructing your query, hit the Find button. This will load a list of all matching records. If you need to edit your query further, hit the Back to Query button. Let's take a look at some of the more advanced queries you can build. By default, records must meet all the criteria you specify in the Query Builder. However, if you just want them to meet any of the criteria, then you can use the Group OR tool. If any lines are grouped as OR lines, then a record only has to meet the criteria on one line to show up. To group the records as OR lines, first select each line using the black triangle on the left. Once you've selected all your lines, hit the Group OR button located here. You'll see that now these lines are grouped under an OR block. You can also filter based on the values of related records. To do so, begin building a criteria line as usual. Now, when selecting the field, keep scrolling until you come to the Related section. Here, you can see a list of related records. You can also select a related record that you would like to filter on. This will create a visual divider. If you build lines below this divider, they will be based off the related record. In this case, any related contact records. Aside from editing the search criteria, you can also change what columns show up in your search. To do so, click on the Edit Columns button located here. This will load a new form where you can add, remove, and rearrange columns. To add columns, press the Add Columns button and check off the columns that you want to add. Hit the OK button when you are finished. The new columns will show up at the end of the list. To remove a column, click on it and then press the Remove button. To rearrange columns, click on a column and then use the arrow tools located here. Once you have arranged, added, and removed columns to your satisfaction, press the OK button to finish. Once you have finished building your Advanced Find, you can save it for later use. Simply press the Save As button and enter a name. Now you can access this view using the Use Save View button drop-down over here. You will also find that the view shows up in the main CRM homepage in the Views section for easier navigation. This concludes the video tutorial on using the Advanced Find tool in Dynamics CRM. Please review the other videos in this series for more on how to use Microsoft Dynamics CRM.